Hello guys, my name is Alexander and I'm designer at Fignel. Today we start our design bootcamp with first lessons named Fundamental Principles of Design and the core elements that make up visual compositions. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just starting your journey, understanding these concepts will elevate your design game. Design is more than just making things look good. It's about creating effective and harmonious visual experience. To achieve this, we rely on five essential principles: balance, contrast, emphasis, rhythm, and unity. Balance is all about achieving equilibrium in a design. There are two types of balance: symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetrical balance divides the design into equal halves, creating a sense of stability. Asymmetrical balance involves arranging elements of differing visual weight to create balance of the arrangement of identical elements in such a way that it is impossible to find an excess of symmetry in the composition. Now time for a little practice. I'll create some squares, press the hotkey R to do so, and make a proportional square with the Shift key held down. In the right sidebar, I'll set the square to a color, and I'll press the lock at the top to keep the square proportional. Now I will hold down the Alt key and pull the square with the mouse to create an exact copy of it. This is very handy hotkey. Let's position the squares so that we can visually put an excess of symmetry between the parts of our canvas. The number of squares doesn't matter. The main thing is symmetry. Now the first variant of asymmetry. Make one of the squares bigger, and this is done. And the second variant. Bring the excess of symmetry by adding a third square at the angle relative to these two. Contrast adds visual interest by juxtaposing elements that are different. It can be achieved through variation in color, shape, size, or texture. Contrast helps guide the viewer and make important elements stand out. Let's change the color of one of the squares in our past composition and get a great example of color contrast. In the next composition, I'll go to the right panel and give one of the squares a large rounding value. So now we have contrasting shapes. Texture contrast can easily be shown with a gradient. Click on the panel where we set the colors and change the field to gradient. Set the desired colors and adjust the gradient blending by moving the two white sliders. Emphasis directs the viewer attention to a specific focal points or key elements in the design. Through techniques like color, size, and placement, you can create a hierarchy of information guiding the viewer's journey. I will show you the emphasis with the help of numbers, which indicate the sequence with which our eye will focus on objects. We focus on brighter colors. Subconsciously find the beginning and end of the movement, even if it's the three circles in different iteration. Pay attention to large objects and are accustomed to looking at them from top to bottom. Rhythm introduces a sense of movement and flow to your design. It's like the beat in music. Repetition, patterns, and alternating elements help establish rhythm, makes the design visually engaging. The rhythm is simple to show. In the first composition, all the objects are exactly the same and symmetrical. They create a sense of stability and reliability. In the second, they are arranged in such a way as to give the impression of their movement or removal from us. Such compositions are called dynamic. They are more emotional and energetic. Unity ties everything together. It ensures that all elements in the design feel cohesive and connect. Consistency in style, color, and typography creates a harmonious visual experience. There is no unity in the composition on the left. The corporate photo does not match the handwritten font of the headline, nor its color, nor the writing of the main text and its web-friendly font. Let's fix that. Let's replace the font of the headline with the font of the main text, making it black. Fix the formatting of the text by removing caps lock, grammatical errors, and aligning it with the header on the left edge. Enlarge the photo a bit and center our block relative to the canvas. Now our composition is much more consistent. Now let's dive into the core elements that make up designs: line, shape, color, and texture. Lines are the building blocks of design. They can be straight, curved, or even implied. Lines create movement, guide the viewer's eye, and contribute to the overall composition. Shapes are defined by boundaries and can be geometric or organic. They help create structure and visual interest within a design. Color is powerful. It evokes emotions, communicates messages, and establishes mood. Understanding color theory and harmonize help you make informed color choice. Texture adds depth and tactile quality to a design. It can be actual, like the texture of a fabric, or implied through visual techniques. Let's put these principles and elements into practice with a simple design exercise. Your task is to create a composition using shapes and lines while incorporating the principles of balance and contrast. Aim for a visually engaging design that showcases both symmetrical and asymmetrical balance. Start by arranging different shapes and lines. Play with size, colors, and positions to achieve a harmonious balance. Don't forget to incorporate contrast to make your design pop. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of design principles and elements. Remember, these fundamentals are the building blocks of every great design. Practice, experiment, and let your creativity flourish. Thank you for joining me on this journey through design basics. Stay curious, and next lessons is about color theory and more professional things about balance, arrangement, and harmony. Thank you.